Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage again. So we have another unboxing here of another GlowShift gauge. So this is the wideband air fuel gauge, i.e. air fuel ratio meter. Part number GS-Charlie702W. And there's your size and all that if you're interested. So let's get her open here and see what we got. Now, I'm going to say right off before we go any further, I have used air fuel ratio meters from a company that uses 3 letters, and good product, small box. They crammed a lot of stuff into a little package. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I'm kind of impressed with how these guys are packaging their stuff. So I thought I'd point that out. So we open her up, and we have wiring harness, and looks like the gauge harness itself. Oh, and another harness. Lots of harnesses. That's okay. And we have a little box. I am doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Okay, here we go. Of course, upside down. Alright, what do we got? This looks to be... Alright, there's our wideband oxygen sensor. So, it's going to be a 4-wire. Looks like your Bosch style, typical style. And, of course, the gauge. So, let me get this open and laid out, and we'll see what's in here. Alright guys, well, I got the rest of it unboxed here, and found some very thorough instructions. A lot to read. So apparently this unit has data logging capability with a lambda chart. Now this is the kind of stuff that if you're having dyno testing done, this is where this will come into play. Because the dyno can plug right into this system and read your air fuel without having to hook up their own. So, anyway, that's the paperwork part of it. I'm really impressed by this. So, it comes with a bung. Not all of these come with bungs, and you end up having to buy one. Of course, we have the gauge. Which I've already put the little hood thing on it, and the bracket and everything, just so I don't lose all the small pieces. And you got a little module here, which is power, gauge, sensor, and then your analog output. So, we got one harness, another one, and another one. This is the extension harness for your oxygen sensor. So there's a lot going on here, but I don't know, for really any performance application, you're really having an air fuel ratio meter or a gauge is recommended, especially with the turbo application or supercharged, anything where with the possibility of running lean. Remember, a lean condition burns pistons, causes engine damage. So this will tell you instantly, you know, what's going on inside there, inside the engine. So I won't even start the $1,000 auto up until this is hooked up. Because with turbos, they can run lean so easily. And on stock pistons, it can cause problems. So, Anyway, guys, that's the air fuel ratio gauge from GlowShift. And again, I'm quite impressed with how everything's set up and how all the components come together in one kit. You can look on Amazon and price this for yourself. That's where it came from. So, anyway, guys, stay tuned for seeing this thing work. You'll see all the gauges when they're mounted. And if you need one of these, I would definitely consider it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and thank you for supporting the channel. And we'll see you in the next one.